You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have more Nike Book 1s. These are the Nike Book 1 PRM Hike. If you've seen some of our recent episodes, you know I'm a big fan of the Nike Book 1. So when I found out that these were coming out, this was a must-have, but let's go ahead and dive into the details. They come dressed in this stucco green with light silver and orange accents. Starting at the tongue, they feature that book logo on the tongue tag, which is made of nylon material. On the opposite side of that, it does have his family crest in orange. The top of the tongue consists of this snake skin print on this synthetic leather, and they come with flat stucco green laces. The rest of the tongue consists of this mesh material. For the tongue loop and the eye stays, it's this soft suede with a crocodile texture on it. As you get towards the toe box, you do have a embroidered mini swoosh that's tonal in that stucco green. And then for the toe box, you do have more of that crocodile texture on the soft suede with perforated holes for breathability. Taking us towards the tip of the toe, you do have this snakeskin print on the synthetic leather that takes you to the side of the shoe. The side of the shoe features these big Nike swooshes in more soft suede, but with the alligator print texture on it, and it's embroidered with the stucco green outline. And then for the quarter panel, you do have this canvas material that has lizard or gecko skin print on it. At the collar, you do have this pony hair texture similar to the Book 1 Haven. And then on the opposite side of that, you have optimal padding around the ankle. The pull tab also has that lizard skin print, features 9/6, which represents his birth year. Taking us to the back of the shoe, it does read chapter 1 on that pull tab. And right behind that, on the heel cup, you do have more of that snake skin pattern on the synthetic leather. Taking us to the midsole, it's the same stucco green color, and it consists of both rubber and Cushlon 2. What you don't see is the top-loaded Zoom Air unit in the heel for maximum cushion. Taking us to the outsole, you have more of that stucco green color with the orange accent. You have that herringbone traction and an Air Zoom hit under the heel. This is the first Book 1 that we've picked up that has the solid outsole opposed to the other ones that had the translucent outsole. And it looks like they use the recycled rubber, as you can see, different colored specks throughout. The Nike Book 1 PRM Hike is inspired by Devin Booker's love for the great outdoors. The color blocking on these is very similar to the Zoom GT Cut 2 player exclusive that dropped last year. We did a review on that, make sure you check it out. And although the color blocking is the same, the materials on the Book 1 Hike are far superior. They do have the soft suede, the canvas, and the pony hair, and all these different textures just blend together really perfectly. I feel like they use all these different animal textures on these because it's different animals that you would come across while you're outdoors on a hike, like snakes, geckos, lizards, things of that nature. And at first glance, this definitely doesn't look like a basketball shoe. You would think it's just a lifestyle shoe, but when you put these on and you feel the cushion and you feel the traction, you realize that, yeah, you could definitely play basketball in these, or you could just wear them casually, or you can even wear them outdoors. And more recently, Devin Booker was playing in a player exclusive that was very similar to these. It was a lighter color, but it did feature the same patterns and the same textures. They were calling them the reverse hike or the hike flip. And although they're just a player exclusive, hopefully one day they get released as well. The Nike Book 1 Hike dropped at select retailers on April 6th. They do get a wider release on April 20th, and they do retail for $150, which is a $10 price hike from the previous Book 1s, and that's due to the premium materials that they used. If you want to purchase the Nike Book 1 Hike early, or they sold out on release date and you still want to grab them, then you can click our StockX affiliate link in the description below. Any purchase made using that link helps support the channel so we can keep these reviews coming. Every little bit helps. As far as comfort goes, you can definitely feel the Zoom Air unit in the back of the heel. I really love that cushion and that padding in the collar and the tongue. And they do run a little bit narrow and snug in the toe box, so I definitely recommend going a half size up. But after you wear these for a couple times, they break in real nicely. I am doing a 30-day follow-up on the Nike Book 1 Mirage. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see how that went and you can be notified when that episode drops. And as far as style goes, the Nike Book 1 Hike might be my favorite colorway thus far. It's very reminiscent of the Undefeated colorway. The textures and the materials that they used are just really premium, and it looks like it could be something of a collaboration, but it's a general release. This might be the first pair that I double up on, as I can see myself wearing these a lot, especially in the summer. But how do you guys feel about the Nike Book 1? Is this something that you're interested in picking up? Were you waiting for this color to drop as well? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate all the support. Let's go ahead and try these on.
Spy music up the chart, God willing, from a squad to all villains on the Mata Godzilla. Chillin' nothing but SF, Giants Heat, Nike fleece from 93, about to throw on that MJ, come and fly with me. Man, this ain't that drama, you wanna try your act out. I tell the pilot to land in Thailand, right on Bison's background. In the mighty jungle, when confronted, lions back down. Fredo becomes David, about to chop Goliath's ass down. The most consistent, most unstoppable, with no resistance. The Mega Mall boys load the clip, we on the road to riches. Man, what you say anyway? I don't think no one listens. How you finna talk about where we at when you're in no position? Hold up, I'm about to roll up this whole prescription, Hercules, Michael Bolton singing.
If you enjoyed this review on the Nike Book 1, make sure you check out all our other Nike reviews as well. We have a bunch for you all to watch and enjoy. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.